Hi, in this video, I'm going to explain to you a basic concept of SystemC, which is module. A SystemC module is a C++ class, but it differs from a regular class because it must be derived from the sc_module class of SystemC. It is a basic building block of SystemC and is used to represent a component in real systems. There are different ways to define a SystemC module. The first way is to use sc_module, which is a SystemC provided marker. A second way is to use C++ syntax, which is struct followed by the module name, then shows it publicly inherits from sc_module class. A third way is to use class keyword instead of a struct. Please be aware the first and the second approach are exactly the same. The third way is slightly different from the first two because by default, the access specifier for class is private, whereas for struct, it is public. This is the only difference. Now let's see the real example. So here, the first module, module A, is defined using the sc_module. The next line is a constructor function of the module. I will be explaining the constructor function later. Module B is defined using the second approach, which is struct, followed by public inheritance of sc_module. Then module C is defined using class keyword, and again, it publicly inherits from sc_module, and constructor functions are defined for each and every module. Within the constructor function of each module, it does nothing but print the name of the module. Now within the main function, we instantiate three different objects of the three different modules, module A, module B, and module C. The parent class of sc_module always requires a string input, the name of the module. It is common practice to assign the module name equals object name, but we can do it whatever you want. For example, for module A and module C, I'm using the same module name and the variable name. But for module B, the name is different. Now let's run the example. Okay, you can see the constructor functions for the three modules are called. Thanks for watching. Hope this video is useful to you. Bye bye.